Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 22nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla's stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But they are still your decisions, so do your own research. So Tesla was up today $12.56. We closed at 751.94. Post-market, we seem to be down by 28 cents. Let's look at this on the chart. We broke over 741. Okay, we broke over that, so 741 is our support now, and look at how beautiful this is. So the high of the day matches almost to perfection. Let me zoom this. Matches with perfection the high, the channel resistance, the bearish channel resistance that we have. So this is confirming that this channel resistance is still in play. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart, yes, it looks good because this is 9:30 here, so nice volume here compared to yesterday. So volume up, a longer wick at the bottom, so buying pressure during the first hour, even though the stock went down, then it finished back up, then up, sideways action, then up again towards this resistance, then stronger up against this resistance, and now we even broke it a little bit during the day before coming down. And stochastic is very high. Stochastic is very high and everything. This is going to be interesting to see if we break this or not. This is what we need to check. Let's look at the indicators. So stochastic at 81, pretty good. RSI is okay. We are still in a crossover bearish for MACD and also for DMI. So MACD and DMI have not considered this move up as a change in trend yet. It's not a change in trend for MACD, it's not a change in trend for DMI, and it's not a change in trend yet because we have not closed outside of this resistance. Yes, we had a little bit of a head fake several days ago, last Friday, but technically we are still in this bearish channel. So just manage your trading accordingly. Post-market, we are down, so maybe we are going down. Unless we break the resistance, we need to assume that we are going to stay underneath it. One thing that might happen is that we might be going down like this, or we might just linger. This is always possible, depending on the strength of the stock. Always possible that we linger somewhere here. This is where we need to keep our eyes on. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a member of this YouTube channel. We have a TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.